Hello and welcome to EasyPhysio ResearchPro. We are a team of two experienced physiologists and researchers, passionate about simplifying the wonders of life sciences for students and curious minds worldwide. With several years of research and teaching experience, we aim to make physiology not just a subject but an exciting journey for you. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration. What is physiology? Why is it called the science of life? Stay tuned as we uncover how physiology weaves together the mysteries of life, from molecules to consciousness. Understanding how organisms maintain life is fundamental to all biological sciences. Physiology stands at the center, connecting anatomy, biochemistry, and molecular biology, giving us a holistic view of life processes. In this journey, we'll explore its definition, its rich history, its practical applications, and its exciting future. The word physiology comes from Greek roots, physio, meaning nature, and logi, meaning study. In essence, it is the study of how living organisms function. It explains the how and the why behind every life process, from molecular mechanisms to entire organism behaviors. Physiology's roots run deep. Ancient Ayurvedic and Greek medicine first shaped our ideas about bodily functions. Roman physician Galen's theories dominated for centuries until William Harvey revolutionized our understanding of blood circulation. Later, Claude Bernard introduced the concept of experimental medicine, laying the foundation for modern physiology. Physiology isn't confined to a single scale. It stretches across molecular events to whole body adaptations. From how cells communicate, to how our bodies adjust during exercise, to how different species adapt to environments, physiology embraces it all. Physiology is called the science of life because it reveals the principles that sustain existence. Every movement, every breath, every heartbeat, all are orchestrated through interconnected systems, powered by physiology. Three key features define physiology. Homeostasis, maintaining balance despite external changes. Integration, different organs working in harmony. Adaptation, dynamic responses ensuring survival. These features together craft the symphony of life. Physiology is alive in action. When your heart races during exercise, when your body cools you down on a hot day, when your pancreas balances your blood sugar after a meal. Each response showcases the brilliance of physiological coordination. Physiology branches into many specializations, from how humans heal, to how plants grow, to how microbes survive. It also studies what happens when normal functions go wrong, through the fascinating field of pathophysiology. Physiology is not limited to textbooks. It powers medical breakthroughs, athletic performances, space missions, and even agricultural innovations. It shapes health, technology, and human advancement. Physiology is truly interdisciplinary. It acts as a bridge that connects numerous fields of science into a unified understanding of life. Let's look closer at how physiology relates to other individual sciences. Anatomy. Anatomy reveals the structure of body parts. Physiology explains how those structures function in harmony to sustain life. Form and function are inseparable. Biochemistry. Biochemistry explores the chemical reactions within cells. Physiology shows how these reactions drive vital processes like metabolism, energy production, and muscle contraction. Biophysics. Applying physical laws. Physiology explains phenomena like blood flow dynamics, nerve conduction, and the mechanical properties of tissues. Bioengineering. Engineers create devices like pacemakers, prosthetics, and dialysis machines, all based on physiological principles to support or replicate body functions. Pharmacology. Drugs act by modulating physiological processes. Understanding physiology is crucial for designing effective treatments and predicting drug actions. Genetics. Genetics reveals how inherited traits and molecular blueprints govern physiological functions, from enzyme production to disease susceptibility. Psychology. Mind and body are intricately linked. Psychological processes like emotions, cognition, and behavior are grounded in physiological activities of the brain and nervous system. Immunology. The immune system's physiological defenses protect us from diseases and maintain homeostasis, forming a key aspect of our survival. Endocrinology. Hormones regulate everything from growth to metabolism, and physiology deciphers these complex control mechanisms across the body. Neuroscience. Understanding how neurons communicate and control body responses is at the heart of physiology. Ecology. Physiology helps us understand how organisms adapt physiologically to their environments, crucial for survival, evolution, and conservation. Microbiology. Even single-celled organisms have sophisticated physiological systems that help them adapt, survive, and interact with hosts and environments. Thus, physiology doesn't just stand alone. It is a powerful integrator that blends biological, chemical, physical, and behavioral sciences into one coherent framework, truly earning the title, the science of life. The future is even more exciting. Integrated systems biology and AI will revolutionize predictions and treatments. Personalized medicine will tailor therapies to individual physiology. Gene editing will unlock new possibilities. Physiology will remain at the frontier of innovation. Physiology is the heartbeat of life sciences, explaining how life works, linking every level from molecules to societies. It's indispensable for healthcare, innovation, and human potential. Understanding physiology brings us closer to the elegance and complexity of life itself. Thank you for joining us today with EasyPhysio and ResearchPro. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the science that powers life itself. If you found this video helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe to our channel. We are committed to bringing you simplified and practical teaching on complex physiological mechanisms, making learning accessible, exciting, and impactful. Don't miss our next video, Homeostasis Explained. Stay connected and keep exploring the wonders of life with us.